Hello guys, today I'm reviewing MSI GL65 Leopard. I have been using it for over 2 months now, and this laptop I bought for primarily video editing, but I do some casual gaming as well. So talking about the specs, it has Intel 9th generation i5, 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD storage and Nvidia GTX 1650. Also want to mention that this review is not specific for this laptop. If you are considering to buy some other laptop with same specs, this review might help you to make a decision. Also, this is not a paid review, though I really wish it was. Alright, so moving on with the build quality, the construction is almost plastic, but the build quality on this laptop is very good. There is no flex anywhere in the body and the screen is pretty sturdy as well. I have also held Lenovo Legion laptops in my hand and the screen flexes so much that it will definitely make you uncomfortable. Also, hinge on this laptop is reliable too. Overall, on the build quality, it is the best entry-level gaming laptop out there. Now, let's take a look at the port situation. On the right side, you have barrel type charging port, a full-size SD card slot, and two USB type A port. Now moving on to the left side, we have one 3.5mm headphone jack and a dedicated mic port. One type C port, but unfortunately it does not support Thunderbolt, so you cannot charge through it. And we have another USB type A port, a mini HDMI port and a full-size HDMI port as well. Also you have Ethernet port, so you can connect a LAN cable. And a Kensington lock. There are no ports on the back side. Talking about the display, it is a 15.6 inches full HD IPS display with 60 Hz of refresh rate. The bezels are also thin and it's pretty color accurate as well. And for the gamers out there, the cooling system on this thing is amazing. It comes with the Cooler Booster 5 technology and it literally takes seconds to cool down once the fans are running. Keyboard comes with per key RGB lighting and you can customize it any way you like. Now let's talk about the performance it delivers in real life. So I got this primarily for editing, since the external GPU helps a lot in rendering and playback during editing, and I have no complaints, it does the job well. I mostly work with 1080p footage, but it handles 4K footage with no issue. Video playbacks are smooth, render time is less, and the screen is pretty color accurate as well. It is a great choice for people considering it for editing. Also, this laptop can easily play all AAA titles in medium to high settings with no lag. So it's a great choice for someone who is looking for a gaming laptop on a budget. Now let's talk about the cons. Number 1 is battery performance. On a full charge, it lasts about 3 to 4 hours doing regular tasks like watching videos, surfing internet, in less than an hour if you're playing games. But since people usually play games while plugged into a charger, this won't be a big issue. And all the budget gaming laptops do have more or less the same battery backup. Number 2 is weight. Weighing around 2.3 kg, this laptop feels a bit heavy, though it is not a big deal considering the price and the build quality it offers. It also tends to get hot easily doing regular tasks, but the cooling system is so great, once you start the fans, it takes seconds to cool down. All these specs makes this laptop a great all-rounder. For editing, playing games, running heavy softwares, it can take it all. So guys, that's it for this review. I hope I have covered it all. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment below. I would definitely reply. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.